Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Boom Boom Nasal Inhaler. It claimed to boost focus, open up your sinus, and deliver a burst of refreshment, all in one sniff. But does it actually work or not? Let's find out. First impressions, the packaging look clean and the product is super easy to use. Just twist, inhale and breathe. It comes in a scent like tropical, melon, and wintergreen. All three provide a cooling effect, but wintergreen stands out. Is the strongest and clear nasal passage instantly. Unlike typical menthol, sticks like Vicks Boom Boom adds a twist with essential oils and a refreshing scent profile. Reviewers love it for post-workout or midday energy boost, and it actually feels uplifting, not from caffeine but from the intense, clear-headed breathing sensation. Still, result may vary. It does not give energy in the traditional sense. It is more of a sensory experience than a medical fix. Here is the bottom line. Boom Boom deliver on its promise of clarity and refreshment. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.